Do you give zakat of your body? The question will come, what is zakat? Zakat, it cleans the wealth. Then the wealth grow more and more. Similarly, body zakat, clean our body and make our body healthy. Prophet, peace be upon him, said, zakat is fasting. Body zakat is fasting. A Japanese Nobel Prize winner found by his research that anyone who fasts 20 to 25 days in a month, within 1 year, the dirt and the filthy cell, such as of cancer, are cleaned up by fasting. And this is the blessing of Allah, that He has made a system for us that we fast not 20 to 25 days, we fast 29 to 30 days, which is more than what the research says, so that our body is clean from all dirty and filthy cells. Remember, to pay your body zakat, that means to pay your body zakat means to clean your body by fasting. Thank you.